Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can keep the insect you've catched in Heartopia game. Okay, first of all guys, you need to go to Naniwa and then you're going to go insect catching supplies and then you're going to buy the insect box. You can buy the small one or the medium one, it's up to you. I've already bought this one and then you're going to place the insect box in your house. And wait, let me go back to my house guys, and I'm going to show you how we can use the insect box to keep the insects. Alright, I've already arrived at my house, and then you're going to open up your backpack guys and then place the insect box. And this is my insect box, and you're going to click on this icon and select the insect that you want to put in the box. Wait, I'm going to choose this insect, and for the small box we can only place one insect, so I'm just going to click on complete. Okay, and now the insect has been added to the box, and you can turn on the lamp like this. And okay guys, that's how you can keep the insect you've catched in Heartopia game with the insect box in Heartopia. I hope this video will be useful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.